How to scale your agency with GoHighLevel SaaS plan in 2026. I will show you the entire breakdown right in this video so that you can stop selling services and start selling software. I will also show you why selling software is a high leverage play, a much higher leverage play than selling services. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to know that in 2026, agencies that don't productize will struggle, and agencies that turn into SaaS will scale. Now, that being said, here's some problems that are currently agency owners experiencing, right? So you're stuck in operations. Again, that's like 90% of the agency owners, myself included sometimes. Clients churn, margins shrink, fulfillment is messy, and hiring is expensive. So this is a time-based revenue and it's not scalable. So in this case, you have two different cases. Client pays $1,000 a month for services versus 100 clients paying $97 a month for SaaS. And you might thinking, okay, but that's quite a lot of clients. Like 100 clients, you cannot compare that with one client that pays $1,000 per month services. Well, let me kind of break it down. So key benefits here is with 100 clients, you get recurring predictable revenue, no heavy fulfillment, higher margins, it's easier to sell, and you get lower churn when integrated into ops. Also, selling a $1,000 a month service, it's much harder than selling a $97 a month plan. So here you're productizing your services instead of customizing everything by your client's needs. So in this case, this is where GoHighLevel SaaS plan comes into play. So GoHighLevel SaaS plan, with that, you get to white label the platform, which I'm about to show you very soon. Set your own pricing. I will also show you that. Resell sub accounts. I'll show you how to create sub accounts. Automate billing and control features. So everything is in one place. So in this case, you are selling a software. So agency, white label software, clients. This is exactly how it should be. Okay, so the math is simple right here. As you can see, you can get 100 clients at $97 a month, and that is around $10,000 MRR, or 300 clients at the same price, and that is around $30,000 MRR. So 300 service clients, it's literally impossible. I tried it before. And 300 SaaS clients is scalable, and it's much more attainable. So SaaS in here is the leverage play. So right now I will kind of go and I will show you everything in GoHighLevel. So first thing that I wanted to show you is how you can white label GoHighLevel, okay? So you can white label GoHighLevel by going into your agency view. So GoHighLevel has two different views. It has agency view, where this is your admin view, and you have sub account view. Sub account is specifically for your clients, okay? So if one of your clients is a SaaS client, you will need to create a sub account for that client. Now in here, as you can see, this is how it looks like in the agency view. You can go to your settings and company and then go to white label, and here you can adjust your logo. You can also upload your domain so that it's not a GoHighLevel domain. It will change the logo, it will change the domain. You can enter policies, so privacy policy, terms and conditions, and you can also use ChatGPT to give you custom JavaScript or CSS. You can also choose the themes, whether you want a light theme or dark theme, but again, you can customize that with a custom CSS right here or with custom JS. So if I go here, I can click on light, and as you can see, it changes everything how I want, okay? So that's the first thing, how you're going to start with your SaaS plan. Second thing is, if you go to your reselling in the admin panel, you can already resell pre-made services. In this case, it's going to be SaaS for your clients. So you have Workflow Pro, which gives your clients ability to create workflows, AI workflows. So pretty much you have here resell amount. You can resell how many Workflow Pro, packages you want. You can resell branded client portal app. Like let's say, you want to resell your clients to have access to GoHighLevel client portal app. You can do that. you can resell AI Employee. So AI Employee is a feature in GoHighLevel that lets you pretty much integrate AI Employee in any business. And AI Employee is all about AI voice agents, AI conversational agents, and stuff like that. So you can also resell this as your own SaaS, okay? And in here, you can put your own price in here as well. So as you can see, GoHighLevel price is $97. Your profit is $30 here if you put it at 127. Here you can also sell Search Atlas SEO, which is an AI SEO platform. And there are a lot of different things that you can resell here, as you can see. And GoHighLevel is adding these every single day. If you go to Marketplace apps, you can even go to the Marketplace apps and you can select the apps that you want to resell. Again, these are the apps like AI apps for calling, for example. If you just want specifically for calling, as you can see, you can sell your own voice AI agents in here. That, you know, people can just log in and they can start creating AI voice agents, not knowing that they are actually in GoHighLevel, right? Which is nothing bad, right? It's actually the selling point of this whole thing, okay? Now you also have a SaaS configurator. This is how you can set up your SaaS plan. So essentially you go into your GoHighLevel admin and you have SaaS configurator, and here you first connect the payment provider, which I did. You select the currency, which here you can select US dollar, for example, and you can configure your SaaS plan. Now, as you can see here, you can create recommended plans with AI, or you can do it yourself. So if you click create, custom plans, this is how it's going to look like, right? And you can obviously go and change those plans later. So you can hit continue, and this will actually go and you can build a pricing page as well. So as you can see, we can generate here, yearly, monthly, whatever. And this will actually go and create our Stripe links because we've actually generated or integrated Stripe. And now we can go to SaaS configurator here. And this way we can go and we can configure our SaaS plan. So as you can see, here you have standard plans, right? You can, again, add those plans in. Advanced settings, you can adjust the subscription settings, the sub-account onboarding, as you can see, which I'm about to show you right now how to create sub-accounts. Your category right here, you can also do that. Security, as you can see, so security is right here. You can adjust the security. Configuration, so as you can see, SaaS mode now works with Stripe and other payment processors. So as you can see now, I can go and I can add multiple sub-accounts here that I want to white label for my SaaS. I also have cancellation settings here, which I can go through, and then downgrade settings too. Now this is for SaaS configurator. Again, if you want a whole tutorial on this, we have a whole tutorial on this one on our channel. Also, check out the SaaS plan down below. You can get like 30-day free trial. Now this SaaS plan can be tracked in agency dashboard under the admin panel. This is your admin panel. Before going into sub accounts, you can actually go here and you can track your SaaS MRR and your reselling MRR as well, which is really cool. Now, one thing that I wanted to show you is how you can actually go and create the sub account. So if you go here to your configure settings, you can always add new sub accounts here, and you can already select pre-created sub accounts, which we have right here, or you can add a sub account by going in here and then just adding a sub account, right? So you can do that as well. If you go to sub accounts right here, you can create a sub account here, and you can even have like snapshots for specific businesses. So if you're working with a specific business, let's say the business is beauty and fashion or finance, you can click on that specific setup guide even if you want. And this will kind of show you for the SaaS account how this works, right? So as you can see, you get the website templates, the custom automations and stuff like that. So you can hit continue. And as you can see right now, you need to go and you need to select your business. So you just need to go and, for example, you need to click on the business. I will just give you an example here. So find your business on Google Maps, hit OK, and then you will need to go through this entire process and just say if this is your client's or your own account. Now, once you create an account, you will be able to go here and select that sub account. And each sub account represents your specific client within the SaaS within basically the SaaS plan. Now, obviously here, if you add your own logo and everything will look professional, which I showed you right here. But again, if you want to try SaaS plan for yourself, we have a 30-day free trial below. So you can test it out below for free completely. And again, yeah, this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, also make sure to comment them down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.